let's suppose your original hello.coffee file gets to be like 1,000 lines long, and you don't want that many lines in one file. You want to split it amongst multiple files, right? For that, you're going to need modules. So we're going to create a new file called woo.coffee to split some of this up. In our case, we don't have anything in here, but we'll show you how we import and export into and out of different files as an example. So let's go into woo.coffee, and we're going to create a function called saywoo. Say woo equals like that, and we're going to return woo like that. Save it, and we want to export this at the bottom. So modules.export, or module.exports, I think, exports equals say woo, and that might be backwards. We'll find out in a second. Module.exports equals say woo. Over in hello, we're going to do say woo equals require /woo.coffee like that. And then let's add a space here, not there, here. And then inside of our main, we're going to say console.log say woo like that, and we're going to add the parentheses there. Nope. Yeah, I think we need the parentheses to call it because it doesn't take any arguments. Let's save that. So we've exported our say woo function, which says returns woo, and here we called say woo, which returns the string woo, and we want to log the string woo. So let's woo it, if you will. Down here, clear it, run it, and we get woo. So this is an example of working coffee modules between two different files, and of course you can create as many files and folders as you want, etc.